In Washington, D.C., residents experience a wide range of weather conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters. With such unpredictable weather, ensuring that your home is weatherproofed is essential for both comfort and energy efficiency. One of the most effective ways to protect your home from the elements is through quality windows. Windows Washington play a crucial role in keeping your home well insulated, safe, and energy efficient. In this article, we'll explore why installing high-quality windows in Washington, D.C. is one of the best investments you can make for weatherproofing your home. Insulation against extreme temperatures. Washington, D.C. can experience significant temperature fluctuations throughout the year. From hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, your windows are key to keeping your home comfortable no matter the season. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Double and triple pane windows. Modern windows are often made with double or triple panes of glass, creating a barrier that reduces heat transfer. The space between the panes is filled with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, which further enhances the window's ability to block heat in the summer and retain warmth in the winter. This can drastically improve your home's energy efficiency, leading to lower heating and cooling costs. Low E coating. Windows with low E, low emissivity, coatings can help control heat loss and heat gain. These coatings reflect heat back into your home during the winter, and reflect heat away from your home during the summer, ensuring that your home remains comfortable year-round without overworking your HVAC system. By upgrading to high-quality, energy-efficient windows, you create a more temperature-stable environment inside your home, protecting it from the outside weather. Protection from moisture and water damage. In Washington, D.C., heavy rainfall and snow are common throughout the year. While moisture can be refreshing, it can also lead to serious problems if your home isn't properly weatherproofed. Without properly sealed windows, water can seep into your home, causing damage to walls, ceilings, and floors, as well as promoting mold growth. Waterproof seals and weather stripping. Modern windows in Washington are designed with advanced weather stripping and sealants that prevent moisture from getting inside. The weather stripping around the windows creates a barrier that keeps water from entering during rainstorms or snowmelt. Additionally, new windows come with advanced gaskets that provide a tight seal, preventing any water infiltration and helping maintain the structural integrity of your home. Durable materials for protection. High-quality windows are made from materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials, which resist moisture and won't warp or rot over time. This is crucial for protecting your home from potential damage, especially in areas prone to high humidity or heavy rain. Weatherproof windows act as a protective shield, preventing moisture from entering your home and safeguarding it from water damage. Wind and airflow resistance. Washington, D.C. can experience strong winds and gusty storms, particularly during the fall and winter months. Poorly sealed windows can allow these winds to infiltrate your home, causing drafts and making your heating system work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Wind resistance. High-quality windows Washington are designed to withstand strong winds and keep the elements outside. Impact-resistant windows are a great option if you live in an area prone to strong storms. These windows are made with laminated glass, which makes them resistant to cracking or shattering under high wind pressure. They provide an added layer of protection against severe weather, keeping your home safe and weathertight. Prevention of drafts. Drafts can make your home feel uncomfortable and increase energy consumption. Modern windows feature advanced sealing technologies that block drafts and keep your home insulated. This reduces the amount of work your HVAC system has to do, which results in lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Wind-resistant windows ensure that your home remains secure, warm, and dry, even during Washington, D.C.'s most severe weather events. Noise reduction from external elements. In addition to providing insulation against extreme temperatures and moisture, high-quality windows can also help to reduce external noise. Whether it's traffic, street noise, or the sounds of busy neighborhoods, external noise can be a nuisance, especially if you live near a busy street or commercial area in Washington, D.C. Noise reduction windows. Double or triple pane windows with a laminated layer of glass can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. These windows are designed to absorb sound waves, making your home quieter and more peaceful. For those who live near busy streets or near the airport, soundproof windows can make a big difference in reducing noise pollution. By installing noise-reducing windows, you can create a more tranquil and peaceful living environment, free from the disturbances of urban noise. Enhanced home security. Another benefit of replacing your windows is the increased security they offer. Older windows can be easy to break or force open, making them vulnerable entry points for intruders. Newer windows Washington are designed with stronger frames and impact-resistant glass to provide an added layer of protection. Reinforced glass. Many modern windows feature tempered or laminated glass, which is much more difficult to break than traditional glass. This makes your home more secure against potential intruders, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Stronger window frames. New window frames made from fiberglass or vinyl are stronger and more secure than older, wooden frames. These materials provide added durability and protection for your home, keeping both the elements and potential intruders at bay. Conclusion. In Washington, D.C., where weather conditions can fluctuate dramatically and the need for energy efficiency is essential, windows Washington are crucial for weatherproofing your home. Investing in modern, high-quality windows will provide significant benefits, including improved insulation, protection from moisture, wind resistance, noise reduction, and increased security. By choosing the right windows, you can ensure that your home remains comfortable, energy efficient, and secure throughout the year, no matter what the weather brings.